Okay, so here we are. So today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mic. I'm so excited as this is one of my favorite things to do after buying something is unboxing it. And DJI is one of those companies that are on the level of Apple for me. The unboxing experience is always fantastic. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Let's get this plastic open. Oh, I love that. I don't know why I'm so weird when it comes to that. I just love unboxing stuff. So kind of like with the Apple stuff, they have that little like seal here. I don't know if you can see that. Nice little seal just like Apple. So let's break that open. Oh, it's great. If I make weird noises, I apologize, but yeah. Okay, so opening it up here, there's like a little thing showing what's in the box. So the charging case, receiver, 2 transmitters, carrying pouch, hot shoe adapter, you get the idea. Really nice experience just opening it like that. It's got this tab. Okay, so this must be, let's put that to the side for right now. And this looks like the carrying case. What's in here? Okay, so we have a audio jack, which comes with it. That's really nice. Ooh, the little mic, I don't know what you want to call this. A cat? I think we call it a cat, but I don't know what you call it, I can't remember. So you get, I think, 2 of those. Yeah, 2 cute little cats. USB-A, I think it is, to USB-C, and that is it for, oh. And a little instruction, safety guideline stuff that's, you know, pretty generic for any sort of unboxing and new product. Okay, that's it for the carrying case. Very nice. Now let's go back. I just love how that's laid out like that. It's really nice. Oh, all right, let's peel this back. No, is there, oh, there we go, there's the tab. Nice. That's one thing that I really love about this mic over other mics on the market, is it comes with a nice carrying case that's also dual as a charger. So for travel, this is like the best mic you can buy right now. I love the design of it, I should say. But anything else in here? Nope, that's it. And here is the main attraction. I feel like I'm making the weirdest sounds. Like, what am I doing? This is a transmitter, and these are the actual mics themselves. They're so small. Really love how small this is. This thing is great. Ooh. So again, these mics are tiny. I'm so excited to try these out in the field. Yeah, let's see here. I think this does come off. Maybe it's just a really, oh yeah, it's a really strong magnet. So that's really nice. So you could maybe, oh yeah, that's cool. I like that. Nice little feature. It's like a shirt clip, or there's a clip on the back. So you can clip it to a shirt or whatever. But yeah, I like the little magnet, it's really handy. Let's go in here. So this looks like, oh, this is the receiver. So if you want to put the receiver to something that has a USB-C, you can. It just kind of slides in here. Let's see. Oh, there's even an arrow on how to put it in, so that's helpful. Hopefully I did that right. And looks like that. There we go. It's really cool. So they give you like little accessories to be able to put it on. Anyways, so, and they also have another one that is for an iPhone, which is super handy. So you can actually use this mic externally with your iPhone. That is great. And there's even little areas to put these. So this goes here. I just love the organization about this thing. It's just amazing. Mic goes in there. Other mic goes in there. This piece, oh, there's even a spot for this piece, which is really nice. That's really tough to get off. It's kind of good, but also kind of scary. I feel like I'm breaking something when I'm doing it. But yeah, so that goes in there. So all together, looks like that. Like I said earlier, I'm super stoked to try this in the field. It's amazing for travel. Like, look at that, just closes up. Nice and perfect package to travel, throw in your bag. And yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing. This is, you know, the first video I've done in a while, so hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a thumbs up, and there'll be more unboxings and videos to come, so stay tuned. I don't know why I do this all the time, just like, like what am I doing? Also, I feel like I need a new like chair. Like, I feel very small here. Like, yeah. I'm also sweating so much. I don't know if you can see. It's not even that hot. I think I'm just like when I do videos like this, I kind of get nervous and I just sweat. So I really hope that the video doesn't turn out of me being like a sweaty mess, but we'll see. Let's see how this turns out. I don't know. It's been a long time, so